Hi Drastic Cutie, Sweetie here. Today we're going to draw the Boogie Bot from Poppy Playtime. So let's get started. To draw this cute robot, let's first start by drawing its head. So I'm going to come right here at the top and I'm going to draw a very slight curve just to make it a little bit rounder. But if you don't like that, you can just make this line straight. I'm going to curve it down on both sides and then I'm going to bring it down at a slight angle, just a little bit. So right here, I'm going to come down and here as well. And let's keep bringing it down to about right here. I'm going to round it off and bring it in. And connect at the bottom with a straight line. There, so that's the basic shape that you're trying to aim to draw. And the rounder you make it, the cuter you make it. So it's all up to you. Okay, so now that I have this shape in, I'm going to come in here and draw just basically following the outside to give it a little border. So I'm going to come right back here about this thick and do the same thing. And towards the bottom, I'm going to make it a little bit thicker than the sides. So about right here, I'll stop and bring it in. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come to the sides right here. I'm going to draw some ears in. So right here, I'm going to pop in this curve and in. So just drag these points across just to make it a little bit more accurate. And once again, same thing. And in. And then for some details right here about here, we can draw two little angle lines for some details right in the center. And then for the eyes, it's all up to you what kind of eyes you want to give this robot. But to make it cute, I'm going to come about right here. Just draw a big upside down U. Round off this little corner right here, tip, and then come up and connect. So same thing on the other side. About right here. Nice big upside down U. Round this off and in and connect. There, happy eyes. Then for the body, let's come right in the center. I'm going to come about right here and here. Do a little neck. And then I'm going to start to draw another curve for the little body coming down. There. Okay, so then now, once again, we're just going to angle this out, just like the head. We're going to angle it down. And let's see, about right there. Make it nice and cute. But right there, I'm going to bring it in. So I'm going to round that off. And I'm going to bring it in a little bit to about right here. And now I'm pretty even on both sides. I'm going to curve it a little bit and bring it down. Curve, bring it down, and then just round this off and connect right there. And then from there, let's see here. Let's draw the bottom. So in this area right here, I'm going to just add a little curve. Just a little detail and the wheels. So I'm going to come right here. I'm just going to connect it just to make it easier. And come down at an angle. So right there. Round this off. And come down, round it off. And connect for the wheels. And same thing over here. About right there, just like the other one, and connect. From there, let's draw the arms. So let's come about right in this area here, and I'm going to add a little joint right here. So come out, down, and in. Right there. I'll do the same thing here. And then this arm, let's bring it down. So about right here, I'm going to come with an angle line. About right here. Connect it. Add another little joint. Curve out. And another one right here. So this is the big part. So just make sure you're going at the same angle as you draw this. So definitely turn your body if you need to. And about right here, I'm going to round it off and connect. There. And then the hands. So about right here. Add one and then another one. Little claws. And so same thing here, but we're going to go this way instead. So let's go up. So it's a little bit easier. And about right there, just like the other side. Little joint, and then hopefully it doesn't need to touch the head. About right, oops, right there. Try to make it about the same size as the other one. So about right here. And the hands, about right here. And here. Okay, so then now that we have all the main things, then let's go in with some details. So like the hands right here, we're going to add a line and some details right here. Same thing over here. On the body, we're going to add a little circle right in the center, right here on the top. And it's come about right here, and I'm going to curve down. Same thing here. Go straight and then curve down. Round this off and connect. Round this off. And right here, we're going to continue this angle and connect. So same thing here. Just trying to draw in the necessary details. And about right here is another color. And then the wheels. I can go ahead and just put in some lines. So when you're coloring, you probably won't really see it because it's all black, but at least this way we have some texture on the wheels and we know they're wheels. Okay, and let's see. That's pretty much it for this Boogie Bot from Poppy Playtime. I really hope you love how this robot turned out, and I helped you draw it fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.